It's probably that soft touch material.
Mm-mm.
Getting loose and killing time. This killing time is killing me. Drinking myself.
All right. They may teach very different subjects, but you can always find them on the same page of a good book. It's Killing Time with Katie and Kim.
Hey, y'all.
Good morning.
I know. Yes. Welcome back to Killing Time.
Killing time.
So, Kim, I finished Horse.
Yes.
I loved it. I really
I'm
did.
so
I knew,
glad.
I knew
Okay,
you were-
Black
yes.
Cake didn't go over well.
No, but Horse really did. I told y'all I knew I was gonna love it when I was about halfway through last week, and I really did. It took me a while to finish it just because I'd been so busy this past week. I didn't really get enough time to, as much time as I would like to read, and so I finished it up. I think Tuesday, Mardi Gras Day. Before we went to the parades, I finished it up, and I loved it. I didn't cry, but it was. I was like, oh, that's sad.
I know.
Oh,
I didn't
that's sad.
cry either.
Yeah.
But there are a lot of pieces
Yeah.
to it that you're just like,
Oh, that's so
Like
sad.
when
It's
they
just
take Jared
unfortunate.
away from
I
Lexington, and
know.
then he gets hurt, and so
Yeah.
then Jared's like, no.
And then when
coming back
Jarrett
to my
found a
horse.
wife, and then he didn't.
I know.
And then because her original husband came back.
back.
Because when
And he
you're a
was such a
slave, you
good
don't
man.
have a legal wife. It's not really legal. And so when they sold off the wife's husband, and then the husband came back, and he was like, "Oh, hey, by the way,
Yeah, he
I
was.
still love her," and
Yeah,
she still
he-
loved her husband too. So.
And he was a good.
He was
like,
so
"Oh,
good. I just love
okay."
Jarrett. I know. But then Theo, I like how that juxtaposition of Theo and Jarrett, like what was going on with Jarrett was essentially going on with Theo as well in modern times.
Right.
It was just a little different, but the same theme, the same injustice, the same theme. And almost worse, I think, for Theo.
I think so too.
Yeah, because, unfortunately, in the 1800s, before slavery was abolished, I think Jarrett never really thought. I mean, he knew
never
what to expect.
questioned
Yeah, you don't
because that
question, and it was understood. This is your role. Don't hope for more.
Right.
Stay in your lane. Whereas Theo, living in 2019, the world treats you as if you should hope for more, and you should assume that the world is accepting of you. But every time you get a little bit of hope, something happens, and then
Right.
unfortunately, I don't know. I felt like it was a bit rushed. So spoiler alert, if you're going to read the book, fast forward about a couple minutes. So when Gwendolyn, the author, chooses to have Theo murdered, I was like, I felt like that was just like, that was out of nowhere. I was like,
yes.
I felt like she wanted, how can I end this story at the same time I'm ending Jarrett's?
Right.
But yeah, I mean, and still make it, a statement on racism and what's happening today. And so,
Yeah, when that happened, I was like, hold on. Let me
yeah,
back up. Let me read this
What?
part again. I'm like,
Yeah.
what? Why?
Yeah, I was
Theo?
like, no. But then I think that's what makes the statement is that Theo is a grad student. He's,
He's like
went to
art
private school his whole
historian
life.
and-
He's an art historian, has a white girlfriend for crying out loud,
Yes.
and yet he was still
So no
murdered
matter how
unjustly.
successful he is
Yeah.
or has become, he's
Still black in America, and that's all that people will see.
Yeah.
Especially when they don't know you and you're. And I'll tell you this: when Theo was jogging and he happened upon the hurt woman, I was like, "Theo, don't you do it! Call 911 by yourself and keep running."
I know. I was like, don't
I was like,
stop.
"Don't do it! Don't stop!" Because unfortunately, that is a reality. Is that if a black man chooses to stop and help a white woman who is incapacitated, she can't speak for herself. What are they going to assume about the situation? And
worst.
that's
And that's
unfortunate.
exactly what
and that's
happened.
exactly what happened. And he just went up to block his eyes, and then pow pow, and he was murdered. And it's
because he was being a good Samaritan,
Right.
stopping to
and-
help someone.
right, but from an outsider's perspective. And I'm not a police basher. I'm not. I understand
No.
their jobs are hard, and they come up on this scene and they see a woman that has apparently been injured. Has she been beaten? And they just see a
Is
man
he in the process
right,
of still
like
hurting
what's
her?
happening.
Yes.
Yeah, and so I understand that, but I think the book does make a
little
good
overreaction with
a little
the
overreaction.
shooting,
Right.
but I think that also ties into today's society.
Today's society.
and what
Yeah.
has occurred and continues to occur.
Right. And
daily.
so-
so
I think that was definitely, and then nothing happens to the police. Well, because
Right.
they had reason to believe that he was armed and they thought his life was in danger. And
Right.
so he just gets off with a couple days of vacation and he gets to go back with more training.
I know.
You
That's
know,
the sad part.
And it
so.
was, I was like, oh man,
I know.
I didn't
poor
want it to
Theo.
go that way.
Me either.
I thought him and his girlfriend were going to break up. I didn't think he was going to die. I was like, no, oh my god.
I did keep waiting for them to break up
Yes,
because there's a little
'cause I
tension
thought-
through
yeah.
them with them at certain times. However, I was not expecting.
Because I
My
think,
poor
especially
Theo
with
to
her being
die.
from Australia, she doesn't understand the climate of racism in America.
Mhm.
Not that, and she even acknowledges not that Australia is not experiencing racism, because they are. I mean,
Mhm.
anytime, I mean, I know I've read books that take place in Australia and I've even listened to podcasts and stuff. Australia has a lot of racism going on with their indigenous peoples, you
Right.
know. It
Mhm.
seems like I don't know, man. White people move in somewhere and we're like, oh, all these people that
Oh.
were here before us, ugh,
No,
don't
no.
like them.
Society just
Ew,
needs to be
you
more
know?
accepting of one another
Right,
and just
right.
move on.
It's so sad. And so I did really enjoy the book. I thought I really like reading books that make a important statement that I think people need to read. And sometimes, you know, people will only understand that message whenever they read a story, you know. And I think
and then tying in those two time periods with the
Yes.
same
yes,
conflict.
it's like really how far
is-
have we come?
Right.
Like-
And we haven't.
And we haven't. Like we have, but also we haven't. We
Right.
still have and it's not to acknowledge that we haven't come so far. Yes, we have come so far. But I think it's such an important thing to acknowledge that we still have so far to go. And that's not saying our country is terrible or, you know, oh my gosh, I wish we didn't live here or whatever. It's to acknowledge that no, we're not perfect. We do still have work to do. And it's okay to say that. And still be
Yes.
patriotic and still love
Yes.
being an American.
Yes,
Still would rather be here than
absolutely.
anywhere else.
Me too.
However,
Except some little remote island.
right. Maybe I think maybe Fiji. Like,
yeah,
I don't know.
something, you know.
I don't know,
So,
maybe
yeah, other than
a beach
having
vacation.
a beach house.
Right.
No, I'm going for the house. Other
Okay.
than that,
Yeah.
I'm happy here.
Yes, absolutely, for sure.
Well, I'm so glad. I'm 1-1 with you on recommendations.
Yes, look at you. Yeah.
1-1.
But you read
I
The
read-
Nature Fragile Things.
Yeah.
Didn't you love it?
Okay, so I started reading it and I
Mm-hmm.
was like, okay, I just like something I couldn't get into as historical fiction. And so then I said, over break, I was like,
Mm-hmm.
I got things to do, but I want to sit down and read. I said, okay, let me pull a Katie and do an
Mm-hmm. Just gonna
audio
finish
book.
it, yeah.
And so I started the audio book. Well, I
And her
texted you and I
accent
was
is
like,
just-
okay, this was like the fourth audio book I had started
Mm-hmm.
because I could not get into the reader, the person reading. And so when she started, I was like,
Oh,
okay,
her
I
voice is
like
nice.
her.
And I think the Irish accent is
Oh,
so
yes.
pretty. And hers is just, it's the right amount. Because sometimes an Irish accent can be like, I don't know what they're saying.
Yeah, I don't know what they say.
But hers is like the perfect amount, you know?
And
so-
so I listened to the majority of the book, and then of course I finished by like actually reading it one
Yeah,
night in
yeah.
bed. But we talked. It goes back to long story short. Okay, and I kind of like my mind's going everywhere. So what was it, 19? When was the
20 something?
When was the
when
Great
1919?
earthquake of San Francisco?
San Francisco,
Yeah,
1919?
1906. I believe.
1906.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. Yep.
So prior to that, she's a mail order bride.
Isn't
and
that
so I'm like,
crazy?
okay, I know they did that
yeah.
back then.
Girl, they still do it.
Well, I
it's
was-
just on the internet.
Well, that, and I also thought about like those shows, Married at First
Yeah.
Sight and 90 Day, like
90
you
Day
just like
Fiancé.
meeting somebody at the end of the aisle and like,
And saying,
hey,
yeah.
yeah, sure.
We both have this desire to live a
be
married
married.
life, and you didn't marry for love back then either.
No, you married for
Right.
convenience. So here
Or
was a
out
supposed
of necessity, or this
single
person can
widowed
provide for me.
father,
Right.
Whose his business kept him traveling, so
That-
he needed a
Ooh,
mom.
right?
And so, but I like that it was told from like you got enough of him to know his story. However, told from the victims
Right.
in the book and how the three women going through that formed such a bond.
Oh my gosh.
over
I love
time.
that.
It.
Oh my God. I love
I
that.
loved it.
Because
I
they
loved it.
very well could have been enemies.
Oh,
you know,
absolutely.
I think in today's
you're
world,
married,
you married to the
little
same
pregnant
man.
woman knocks
right, and
on
this-
your door.
Yeah. And then you could have been like, get out. You know,
Yes.
how dare you?
Picks
and
up
she
your
could have said the
wedding
same thing,
picture.
like, no, wait, you're married to my husband.
Yeah, and that's basically.
And that's
what it
exactly, and
was.
but they did, then I mean, the pregnant wife goes into labor during the not
Earthquake,
hurricane,
not a
earthquake,
hurricane.
and you know, that just instantly bonds them, because I think, you know, the mail order bride, she just
Sophie.
wants. Oh my God, yeah, Sophie.
Yeah,
She
Sophie.
just wants a family.
She just wanted to be a mom.
Yeah, she just wanted
because
to be a
She
mom.
left New
Mhm.
York
Yep.
because, or left
left Ireland to
yeah,
New
back
York.
To New York,
Yeah, because she didn't get to be
she
a
was
mom
in
there.
an abusive relationship, lost her baby, and so then she wants a new start.
I really loved how the author, oh my God, the suspense. Oh my,
Yes.
like, you didn't know why Sophie left Ireland. You knew there was a story
No,
there.
yeah, because
but you were like, wait, why did she leave? And you
Why?
knew she had maybe, like, she gave out so many breadcrumbs. It made you really keep going.
Like,
And
you
like
didn't
I
find
said,
out towards the end with the interview
with the police,
the marshals.
yeah.
So
That was, I was like, oh my gosh. Because I like I said the first time I had mentioned it, you know it's good whenever you still have 6 hours left of that book, and you think, because so the husband dies, and you're like, oh, well, okay, well, that's it. He was the villain. Mm-hmm. Well, I still got 6 hours left of this book. What is going on, you know? And it really was like, I mean, it kept getting more interesting.
it did.
Um,
And I liked how, they formed that bond, but also his daughter Kat was like the center of their world.
Yes.
Like all
they always put
three,
Kat first.
Like they wanted to make sure, and especially Sophie, like having raised her for almost a year or 2
Yeah.
years, and then finds out
None
he's
of it was
married
real.
to another
Yeah.
woman with a baby on the way, has another
Yeah.
wife that's sick, and like that woman Candace, was that her name?
Candace, yeah.
She could
That was in
easily
Arizona.
said, hey, that is my child, and I'm taking her to Texas. But
Yeah.
instead, she made the decision because she
'Cause
knew
she
she
knew
was
she was
dying
dying.
to stay with them,
so that
until
Kat
almost
could
the
have a
end.
seamless
Yes.
transition. Yeah.
So I mean that as a mom.
I mean, he really picked some good women. Let's just say that.
oh, he did.
know, he
well,
could-
Here we go back to what's it? Killer of the Flower.
Yeah, Killers of the Flower Moon.
Yeah.
Married for their all
Right.
head rights. Well, he married women who
Had
were
their,
coming in.
but he
money.
never said why he picked Sophie. He did say when he was laying there dying, he said, "I know you're running." So he knew a little bit about her. He knew enough.
Yes.
So I was like, so why did you pick her? Because you knew that she wasn't going to talk? Like he knew maybe that she was invested enough to not press the issue and ask
Right.
too many questions, that she would believe whatever he said. Like, oh, I'm in insurance.
Yeah,
Okay.
And
Sure.
it sort of came out like through her conversations with Belinda and then the U.S. Marshal
Yeah.
that he married everyone with money and she came from nothing.
Yeah.
So like maybe that was his to cover himself up.
Right.
And that was a point that she felt
Right.
was, well, he married me because A, he knew I was running and held that over my head, or
Yeah.
B, because I came from
From nothing.
and all of these other women that he married had an inheritance. They all died off.
So
or
this would
sick.
throw them off.
And so this
Yeah.
will throw him off and say, well, no, look, I married her. And
I just wish he would have left a diary or something that left a solid answer of like why he was planning all of this, you know?
money, money, money.
Yeah. But I think we had talked about this in text the other day, how, back in 1906, there was really, no way of proving you could commit a crime and
Oh.
just if you left no trace and no one saw you do it, you get away with it. And
Probably
that's
should have
so
lived in
crazy.
1906.
I
huh?
know. Maybe we did. Maybe we lived in 1906 in a former life, and that's why we like historical
like-
fiction. I don't know. But
what
that's
could I do
crazy
in
to me.
1906?
Like, because there is no such thing as science. There was no fingerprints. There was no DNA. There was no they only had confession or a witness. And now we know how unreliable witness accounts are. And so back then, if somebody had a personal vendetta against you, like, yeah, I saw her do it, they'd be
Yeah.
like, she said she saw you do it. So So, I mean, think
Yeah.
about how many wrongful convictions there were, how many people that just got away with murder.
I know.
And or any crime, really.
1906. I missed it.
1906. I know. So that's crazy.
But also the communication, like it's not instant communication back then like it is today. And so if Belinda had never picked up that envelope and saw that address, she would have
never known.
because
And-
he was gone for an extended amount of time.
Right.
So
He had a job that it was like, okay, I mean, yeah, he's out there selling
he's
insurance. And
out.
so,
and
okay.
he'll be home when he gets home, but
Yeah.
he happened to just stay extra. And so then she
Mm-hmm.
shows up at the address.
Yeah,
And then
and
it
she's
just
like,
unravels from there.
"What?"
Like, oh,
I know.
Oh, that's my husband in that
and
picture. No,
yeah,
that's my
no,
husband.
that's my husband. Yeah.
Okay, let's figure this out.
Yeah.
So,
It's and poor Kat the whole time is so quiet. You know,
Oh.
it makes you wonder what all she saw.
but you have
You know.
to think also, her mom is out of her life. He tells her she's
He thought the mom is dead.
and he has no emotional
Right.
attachment to her.
None.
No, shows no.
So she is just
like she
oh my
doesn't know what
gosh,
love
so
is
detached,
until
so detached.
Sophie and Belinda and she's reunited with her mom.
Yep.
That is when. So talking about that last scene when they're in the courthouse and he recognizes her,
Yeah.
and all she does is takes her hand up and does like this, so he sees he is her father because he really doesn't die earlier. He gets executed later.
Yeah.
Um,
Which I was like, oh, he didn't die. So who came to rescue him? Oh.
So when
Yeah.
she flashed that ring, that was just like a,
I made it,
I
and
made it.
Yep.
And so, like, it ties into the title, The Nature of Fragile Things.
Yes.
Like, you think something that's fragile will always be broken. However, until you were in circumstances, like, to me, those circumstances made all
Right.
of those women stronger. And especially Kat, because she could have gone.
Oh my gosh. She could have
a
ended up like
father
her
who
mother.
traveled all the time.
Yeah.
Well, he was not going to kill her until after she got the trust fund,
Right.
after whatever
Right.
age, after the mom died, the money
And
went
then the
to
money
her,
went to the daughter,
to
but
the
I think she
daughter.
had to be a certain age to get
right.
it.
And so he was going to hold on to her for a while, but he never, as a father,
He was never going to love her.
He never loved
But that's
her.
why he needed the mother figure. That's why
Right.
he needed Sophie
so,
to come and take care of her because he was like, I don't want to take care of
yeah,
her.
so her
you know?
life could have gone so differently,
Yeah.
but it's like, this little fragile child when we first meet her in the book. And by the end of it, she's
Yeah.
like this strong
I really-
woman
yeah.
with, look, hey, I
made
people
it.
loved me. I didn't need
Yeah.
you,
And I made it
and
even
I have
without
my own
you.
family.
Yep.
And just, I like that
Yeah.
play on
The nature, because
The na-
in the book it
the
says
nature
the
of-
nature of fragile things is for it to be broken, and she's not.
I was looking for that quote. I
Yep.
was like, there was one quote that just, and I could not. I thought I
the nature of
bookmarked
fragile
it,
things
and I
is for them
couldn't.
to be broken. Yeah,
Yes.
and so
And none
even
of
though the
them-
nature, I mean, so when you look at the setting, everything crumbled around them, but they
Right.
did not.
They did not.
stepped together.
So
And
they had no control over the earthquake, but that was supposed to make them fragile and not survive or
Right.
not find a way out of San Francisco. But
Right.
they were like, we're
We're
giving
getting
birth
outta
to
here.
a baby on the streets.
Yeah, we're gonna find a way
getting
out.
of
Yeah.
here. So it just made them stronger
Yeah.
and want to move on with their lives and
Yeah.
see what else was out there when they could have just given up and said, okay, whatever, I'm staying here.
Man versus nature, right?
Yes,
and it's such a it was such a beautiful story.
it was.
And so Susan Meissner, I think, is the name of the author. She's got a bunch of books out, actually. And in some of the circles that I'm in of, historical fiction, English teacher stuff, she's become very well talked about, almost as much as Kristen Hanna, which segue into what I'm currently reading.
You're reading The Women?
I am. I
Okay,
started it
so
yesterday.
I started.
Uh-huh.
I did not finish it.
Okay.
Pell, DNF. But I'm going back to read it. I just
Okay.
need. I feel like everything I've read has been like historical, so I need. When I get on a kick like that, I
Yeah.
need something
I
else.
wanted something else,
So,
but then
but,
I saw it available and I was like, I got to do it. I love Kristen
so
Hanna.
It's called. I do too. It's called Atonement. It is by. I could see Alicia something McDermott.
I just DNF that book.
Okay, but
I can't.
It's-
I couldn't do it.
okay, so women is Vietnam,
Very
the
similar.
women, but this is also the wives that go to Vietnam with their husbands, and so I liked it. But then I got to a point I was like,
I can't do it. Yeah.
I like her though. I've read
I
several.
like
of her
Alice
books.
McDermott, and
But I was
do not
like,
like giving a
was-
negative review, but
Yeah.
I
So
could not.
I will go back and finish, and I'll let you know. But right now, I just needed something more, a little, like up
like
to
a
date.
little lighter.
No,
Yeah.
no, it's not lighter.
Oh, not
so
lighter?
now we're set like in the future and not the past.
Not the past.
And it's called. Okay, it's got a cool cover. That's all I know. Let me see.
We do judge books by their cover, by the way.
Oh,
Absolutely.
yeah, it's about the only way.
Yes.
Um,
No, but The Women by Kristen Hanna.
It
so
is called
It's good so
The
far.
Future by Naomi Adler.
Okay.
And it is about, okay, I'm like 4 chapters in, but it is about these 3 billionaire tech that they have their 3 separate tech companies in control, and they basically control everything in the world. And like the apocalypse is coming. We have a woman that was in a cult, and now she works
Hey,
for
we
one
love a
of
woman in
the
a cult.
tech- and then there's, so now we're just at the point where we're introducing characters and they're,
So you're
he owns
world
this-
building kind of right now. You're in the world building phase. I gotcha.
So it's future,
Yeah.
So we'll see.
I'm
It
in The
looks
Women.
interesting.
We built the
Cover was
world.
very-
Frankie has made it to Vietnam. And she it's a learning curve for poor Frankie. And so that's where I'm at. But I just love Kristen Hanna. I love the way she writes her characters.
Me too.
And I like so the Alice McDermott book, I really wanted it to be. I had it for free on Cloud Library, so I was like, "Well, I don't want to buy the Kristen Hanna book yet. I'm gonna wait till I have a credit, and then I'll listen to it because I'm trying to be cheap." Well, I was like, "Oh, this one sounds very similar. Women in Vietnam. Here we
Yes.
go." Ugh. I couldn't. It was just
See, I wanted
the
to
characters
read
were
it.
so boring.
Oh,
I
that
could not get
one
into the characters.
character, I don't know which one she is. She's like the wife that's running the show. Like she's so
I could
superficial
not.
and
I could not.
shallow. And I was just like,
there was
okay, can we
nothing I
just-
could like about
Yeah,
her,
I
and
didn't
I
like
want
anything.
something.
Right.
And I couldn't. And now, so I am doing an audiobook. So I always say, like, maybe it's better in print. I don't know.
Well, I'm doing print on this one.
So
First I'm reading The Future.
Yeah.
So I'll go back to the other
Yeah.
one. But I wanted to read that one so that we could talk because
Yeah.
they were both set in Vietnam. So
the narrator on it is really good. It sounds like Meryl Streep. It's not Meryl Streep, but her voice could be a dupe. It's like Meryl Streep dupe. So her voice is beautiful, very engaging, but I could not care less about these people.
yeah. So
Yeah, it's
I'm
and I couldn't
a few
finish
chapters
it.
in and I didn't like, I
Yeah.
can't think of her name. The one that just thinks
I
she
can't-
runs the
I-
show
look,
and she made
very
fun of the other
unmemorable.
new wife.
Yep.
And so at that point I'm like, okay, you're in Vietnam. There's a war going on. Your husbands were sent here to
Yeah.
work. You're supposed to, be there.
But they're all
me.
brats.
Yes.
And I'm like, I
And
can't.
so I don't like now you're making it all about you and so that was about 4, 5,
Yeah.
6 chapters
Yeah.
in and I was like,
I tried.
okay,
And I was like, I
right
can't
now.
waste any more time on this book because I'm not going to be able to finish it. So I moved on to The Women because let's be honest, that's what I really wanted to read in the first
Yes.
place. And I'm glad I did because I am very into it. It's a 14-hour book and I have 9 hours left. And I just started it
Dope.
yesterday because I was like, I need to finish this book. But Kristen Hanna,
I know. She's
it be like that with her. She
amazing.
gets you in, and you just want to keep reading. So
How long is the average
Audiobook?
Audiobook.
I would say about 10 hours is about average. But Kristen Hanna, her books are usually pretty long.
Yes,
She's
hers
very
are.
detailed, very
Yes.
thorough with her character building. So I would say about 10 hours is about average. I've had some 6 hours, but I've also like Demon Copperhead.
Oh, I loved.
Oh my
that
God.
book.
Love that book. That was a 24-hour book.
That was a long.
That was a
book.
long book because it's the modern day David Copperfield.
Yes.
And it's about the pharmaceutical industry rather than the, back when David Copperfield was, it's all about poverty. But Demon Copperhead, it's the pharmaceutical industry and how they have preyed upon these people in small town America and
Kinda like
made
Dope
addicts
Sick,
out of people.
yeah. Oxycontin.
The
Have you seen the
Oxycontin
series
crisis.
on,
I
like,
have.
Dope Sick.
Yeah,
The
all
one with
that.
Michael Keaton. Oh,
Yeah,
it's so good.
so good.
There's
And then the
several
one,
out there.
the one with the pharmacy in New Orleans, that was a good one
Oh,
too.
that was
The
a good
pharmacist,
one. Oh, yeah, the
was that what it was called?
Pharmacist.
Yeah.
That one was good too. But I mean, there's so much out there about how big pharma has definitely created customers and not cures, and really, they knew what they were doing whenever they put out OxyContin, and they made people
absolutely.
addicts.
It just
and
pushed it.
and it's so sad.
Like to
but
watch that story.
Oh,
and
yeah.
To see how they pushed that drug, knowing
that it was going to make addicts
that it
out
was
of
going
people.
to make them
Yeah.
addicted to
Yes.
it, which then okay, now I can't give you anymore,
Yeah.
so now I'm hitting the
now
streets.
now I'm gonna go do
now
heroin.
I'm going heroin
right?
and anything else.
And I'll tell you what, it's that happened to one of my best friends. She was same age as me, and I met her when I was 18 years old, and we became best friends. And she and I went through a divorce at the same time, and she got a job as a pharmaceutical tech at Walgreens. And she met a man that got her to start taking OxyContin.
Mm-hmm.
And then she started stealing it from Walgreens. And so they fired her. They didn't arrest her, which was
Well,
a miracle in
I
itself.
know.
She should have been arrested.
Yes.
And so she passed away in 2014. So,
that's
yeah,
so
she
sad.
left
I'm so
behind 3 little
sorry.
girls who are all grown now. Oh, my gosh. They're all grown, and I can't believe it. And actually, she would be a mama. And I tell you what, every year on her birthday, and I'm like, you'd be a mama. Like she'd be a mama before me. And so Mama Miranda. But, yeah, so that book really hit home because I was like, absolutely.
That was a
They
great
marketed
book.
that drug to make people become addicted to it. And I mean, when you can't afford to buy OxyContin
Because it
anymore,
started
then
out-
you go to heroin.
Right.
And then heroin, there's not much you're gonna it's not good for you.
No.
It's not good for you.
Don't take
So
anything.
don't do that.
Say no to
Say
drugs.
no. Because there's
right.
but
So,
in the news, y'all knew it was
thanks
coming.
To Coach Brownfield
Yes.
for turning us
Oh,
on to this
Thanks.
one.
I don't know.
I don't know.
So we watched Escaping Twin Flames, y'all.
Wow, that's
So we
We
have a
both
group text,
speechless.
and we were just like, "What am I watching? What am I watching?"
or these people.
Yes. So Jeff and Shalea have
So-
come up with an MLM church type thing.
The church is called Twin Flames, right?
Yeah, Twin Flames University.
Oh, Twin Flames University. Please do not.
Do not. It's
enroll
not true.
in it. It's not
They
true.
cannot
do not
tell
send
you.
them your money.
No. They cannot tell you who your
Don't.
twin flame is. No one can.
No.
No one can. I'm not saying a twin flame is not a real thing. You can believe in that if you want to. They cannot tell you who your twin flame is, no matter how much money you send to them, because this is still a real active
It is a real active
group still.
Yes.
Um,
Rabbit hole. Went down that
go
one
down that
looking-
rabbit hole. Oh my gosh.
Do not send them any money.
Right now, because when
No
I
matter
went on
how
the rabbit
lonely you
hole,
are.
honey, I'll be your friend.
I'll be your friend.
I will be your friend.
hang
I'm
out with
probably not
Killing
your twin
Tom.
flame, but I will
Yeah.
be your friend.
Come hang out with Killing Tom with Katie and
Right.
Kim
You can
before you,
come
go
on the
see
show.
Twin Flames.
Let me tell you what, I went down the rabbit hole, and now I guess because the show has come out, they are now focusing on how to identify a false twin flame.
So
And
he
so-
started his business.
Right? Like he is a mastermind.
He is.
This is Jeff
Pill. Go check out the Crazy Eyes on this
yes,
one.
go check out Crazy Eyes on this one because he is psycho. And
he started.
He's
so
nuts.
the progression of it, you're like, okay, promises, pay me all this money and you'll meet your twin flame, which
we'll
I'm
help
assuming
you
is like
find your twin flame.
your
We will
soulmate, I
Right.
guess, the
Like,
person you're meant to
Yeah,
be with for the
soulmate.
rest of your life.
Yeah.
your perfect pair.
And then when it's not working out for people, then
He's the only one that can tell you.
yes.
And
Your
then,
heart can't tell you. Your
No,
mind can't tell you. Only he
no,
can tell you.
You know nothing.
But pay him more money
right.
and he'll tell you.
then he'll tell you. And then it
then he'll
escalates.
say it's a false.
Right.
Oh,
well, that wasn't real.
wait.
Sorry, that wasn't real. But pay me more money.
Yes.
And then it escalated into, well, now it has to be someone. Well, let's back up.
Yeah, we need to back up
We need to
'cause we're
back
all
up
over
because
the
we're all over the
place.
place. Okay, so at first he's like,
Because the
"Oh, I can
progression
tell
of
you."
it is like each episode,
Episode
you're
it gets-
like,
you're like, wow,
What?
I didn't think this could
What?
get worse. So at first, he says, I can tell you who your twin flame is. And he gets you talking. And basically, these mostly women.
Lonely
Who
women.
have lonely women, maybe their relationship didn't work out, maybe going through a divorce, a breakup, whatever. And he tells them, oh, well, that was your twin flame. Like if they went through a breakup, well, the reason why it hurts so much is because that was your twin flame. And you need to pursue this at all costs. Don't give up. Don't take no for an answer.
Pursue at all costs.
Don't give up. He said no. He doesn't mean that. That's
doesn't
not
mean
real.
no.
He doesn't mean no. Like consent. This man has never heard of
No,
consent.
does not know what
And
consent is.
He says, at all costs. And so this one woman who is a like biological scientist, she's a
like-
chemist or something.
Yeah, brilliant.
Brilliant mind. You would think surely she would be logical and nope.
Gave him the money.
She bought into it hook, line, and sinker. And
Followed
this
the
ex
don't
that
give
she
up on your
had-
twin
or maybe it was
flame.
a coworker. I can't remember. But this man told her very plainly,
dated.
We tried
just
it out,
friends.
but we are just friends. I don't like you like that. And she was like going to Jeff and Shalea, which is Jeff's wife, also part of the cult. And he is like, oh no, that is your twin flame.
So you need to pursue
You need to
them.
pursue him
No, at all costs, no matter what.
Don't take that is not real. And so the man put a restraining order on her, and Jeff says, oh, that's not real.
That is
That is
not
not
real.
real. That is of the
Police
world.
knock at your door.
Or, "That's not real."
Serve you a restraining order, and
That's
Jeff
not real.
says that is
That's
not
not real.
real. You keep pursuing
You keep
him.
going. The woman ends up in jail.
Yep.
Don't
go to
she was
jail.
arrested because, in her words, she says, I just so happened, like it was my 30th birthday, and I went out and just so happened to be at the same bar as this guy that I was pursuing,
That had a
and he had
restraining
had
order.
enough.
Mm-hmm.
And like, had she not done all of that prior, he probably wouldn't have had her arrested that night. But she was so relentless that he did not believe that she just so happened to be at the same bar. And she was
Yes.
arrested and spent real time in jail because
Yes.
she had given all her money to Twin Flames University and could not afford to bail herself out. So she had to spend time in prison.
Brilliant, broke, in jail.
And he would get them separated from their families. And so
Mm-hmm.
she didn't feel like she could call her family to help her. She eventually does end up calling her mom and ended up having to move back
So
in
there
with her
was
parents and everything.
One mom, I don't know if it was hers. I think it was one.
It was the
like,
twins.
yeah, the twins.
The twins.
Pursued and like she
Yes.
still to this day.
Still to this day is trying to get
them
her-
shut
her
down,
daughter.
Get her daughter back.
Because her daughter has said, because Jeff and Shalea have convinced her that anyone that is trying to speak against Twin Flames University or Universe is not supportive. They are not your people. We are your people. And so you should cut off all ties with them. So this girl has a twin sister and wrote her sister and her mother a letter saying, this is my last time communicating with you. You will never hear from me again because you don't support. And her parents were, or her mom and her sister were like, it's not that, you know, if you were in any other church, we'd have been like, I mean, it's weird, but
Yeah.
okay.
Well,
but
we
like,
support you, but
right,
this
but
that
this
you've been
was-
sucked into,
right, like you're
torn from
spending
your family,
all of your money. You
you've
are
cut
spending, you know,
ties, you spent money.
you're
like,
working for them
you're
and making no money.
Nothing. And then he decides later, oh, I'm hardly paying you, but now you need to
Now
give
you
me
need to
back
work more.
50%
Right.
and work more. So
Right.
then it was, so that was first few
Mm-hmm.
episodes. And then when people were coming back saying, well, I'm in jail, I'm this, that's
Yeah.
not my true. Well, then he went into that divine masculine.
The divine
and,
masculine
Oh.
and
and
divine
the
feminine. Yes.
And I'm like, hold
What? That's when me and my
on.
husband both were like, "You have got to be kidding me!"
Because you could see it
Surely-
coming from a mile
yes,
away,
Because I
right?
was like, "Wait, these people surely are going to say no.
Yeah.
This is too much."
That poor woman, I don't know which one she was, but he convinced her that she was divine masculine.
Masculine.
Yeah.
Cut her,
Yeah.
like changed her
yes.
style.
Made
And
her
I'm
feel like she was
sitting
actually
there-
transgender, and I was
right.
like,
and
"Oh my
she's
gosh!"
like, I like men. I am a woman. I like men.
Yeah,
but
and they were like,
he
"No, you don't."
convinced me
No,
that
you
I was
don't.
divine masculine.
And that's
and
why she wasn't
changed
finding her twin flame because she hasn't leaned into her divine masculine energy yet.
So,
So
now
there
you
was
go
a huge
from,
deficit, right? There was
Right.
a huge
Yes.
deficit. There was a lot
Right.
more women than men.
Right.
And they
Yes.
had to figure out a way to get this
Right.
to work. And that
Because
That was my
he
next-
figured out
because
too,
the
I have to keep
twin
them in
flame
here pair, that way
Yes.
they don't get arrested, they don't get broken up with.
Right.
If I pair the desperate person with the desperate person, surely this will work out.
But I just
They won't break up with
I
each other,
felt
that's for sure.
Well, she, she eventually is out of it, and was part
Right.
of the documentary.
Right.
But like when they were showing that, I was like, this poor woman.
Right.
Like, how do you let someone tell you?
How
"Oh,
tell you who you
baby,
are.
you're not a woman, and you don't
actually like
men,
girls."
But
Yeah.
you're really divine masculine,
Masculine.
so you need to change yourself.
Yeah.
And she does.
And she does.
And so to me,
it's that
he,
level
like-
of it's
But
more
I guess
than
if you're
just
spending that amount of money, you're
that
gonna be like,
you're gonna,
oh, okay.
well, I mean, I'm already invested. I don't
Yeah.
want to turn
I'm
back
broke.
now.
I have
I've
all this
come so
money.
far.
Jeff keeps telling me.
It's like a lot of those MLMs. Like I've come
Yes.
so far, I can either stop now and have lost all this money, or I just keep going
Sunk
with
cost
the
theory,
hope,
right? Yeah.
with the hope that it's going to work out. Because another layer of it is Jeff and Shalea are coming on these videos because they only meet in person very rarely. He does a
Right.
lot of these like Zooms with his congregation. I don't know because I don't know whether to call it. and
he
this
has
is why
one coming up. I forget where. Like one of his.
should go.
I know.
I want to go and be a
No.
troll and be
Yes.
like,
Let's go. The three of us road trip.
Yes, I'm gonna pop up and be like, I found my twin flame. And yes, I just want to troll him.
Yes.
Right.
But he just.
But it's so strange to me how he kept evolving. And these people, nobody stopped to say, why are you changing? Because the truth is always the truth.
Right.
That's the one thing about most religions, I think you can say, is that if they do change, they change very slowly, like
Yes.
over
Right.
Yes.
centuries. Like, I mean, I'm Catholic, so I can speak on that. And the Catholic Church, I mean, we get a lot of flack for not
Yes.
changing. They'd be
Yeah,
like,
for not
it's
changing.
2024. We need to. But I mean, the church is
My
like, I
husband
mean,
is
we're the
famous for
church.
that.
We're the church, so we're we believe what we believe. Now they have changed their stance very slowly on certain things as the world changes, but that but this is how he gets away with not being held accountable by the law for anything, because he can't be considered a church, but he also can't be considered a product, and he can't be considered like he doesn't meet the qualifications for anything to be
But
prosecuted for any of it.
He also created that nonprofit
Yeah.
as his big umbrella,
Right.
And then dropped all of
the things
businesses
under it.
underneath it,
Yeah.
because he started creating all these
Other
different
stuff. things.
But it's like, to me, he was just okay. So I'm gonna help you find your twin flame. All these women start getting arrested. All right. So
Right.
then he flips the scenario. Oh well, divine masculine, divine feminine. Okay, so then that causes chaos with his followers.
Right.
So then he goes to the false twin flame.
Right,
So it's like
now he's doing the false twin
constantly
flame.
looking for that
Next remedy,
just to keep
them
those
like,
people
oh,
in and
don't
keep their
don't look at the
money.
man behind the curtain.
Yes,
y'all.
yes.
It's all smoke and mirrors, and it's a testament of people will believe what they want to believe. He preys upon desperate, lonely people, and I hate to say that
Absolutely.
because
But it's
it's
true.
true. These people are looking for a partner. They are looking for an answer. They're desperate to find something.
Someone to share their
Someone
lives
to share their life with.
And
And he preys upon them. And because they want it so badly,
They
they
fall
will
for
believe
it.
anything that he says. It's kind of like, sometimes as parents, I think we tend to believe our children because we want to believe them. We don't want
unless
to believe
it comes
our
to a
kids.
teacher, I believe
Right.
the teacher first.
Oh, I will believe the teacher, honey. Well, the teacher is not going to make it up. We don't get paid enough to also
Yeah.
be making up
Yeah.
stories. Now,
or help you find your twin flame.
I can't.
Ugh,
Look,
no.
I don't even.
I'm out of that one.
I'm out of that one. Sorry. But it's just one of those things that people want to believe something so desperately that this seems like he has the answer. And even though, and I mean, the people that are in the documentary will acknowledge, like looking back on it now, yeah, I
Yes.
did have pause. Like, I'm not masculine though, but I'm
No.
not. But
But
now I went
no,
with it,
yes.
And
and
they
I'm still
know
not
that-
happy, and I
Right.
still don't have a twin flame, and now
And
I'm
now
in
I'm
jail
broke.
as a man,
and I'm broke and I
so-
have all these criminal charges.
Yes,
You know?
I just I would like to know what the story prior. Where was he prior to this?
Right.
what made him
Yeah,
and
what
his
makes
wife
a mastermind like this?
like what did he do prior to Twin Flames to say, oh, I'm about to make millions?
Money.
Yeah, they touched on it a little
They
bit, right?
did,
Because
in, like, the first
he was
episode, I
starting
think.
some other websites, and it was just like little
Yeah.
scam stuff to try
And
to
then
make
that
some
one is
money.
the one
He
that
made
you
that
know.
big scam.
But it
Yep.
was not. It was not a cult. It was nothing. You know, it was nothing
Yeah.
really criminal or even
Right.
really maybe even unethical. I guess. But it was
Right.
just kind of, like hustle stuff.
Yeah.
You know.
Yes.
But I guess that kind of taught him like, oh wait.
I
I can't get people to
I
believe
can't get
me.
people.
Yeah.
Because think about in America, there's two things that millions of people want, and you can make money off of it: the dating industry and the weight loss industry.
Absolutely.
And he found the one of
Absolutely.
them is the dating. How can I
Yes.
get people to think they fall? Like, I mean, think about how many dating apps,
There's-
websites, services, all of that,
Everything.
because people just want to find love, you know?
Right.
But what really got my husband is, so when Jeff and Shalea first met, obviously they were young in their 20s, you know. They're young in their 20s. She's got a young and 20s face, body, all of that, right? Well, as
Living
you
on
know,
the street,
living on the
according to
street,
him.
you know,
Now, how much of that
with
is
a
true?
mattress, I don't know.
Yeah, you see, I need to
Um,
know that.
But what really got me is
Watch this go pop up on TikTok because I said I need to know that.
It's going to be my next TikTok. But of course, as she ages and gets more affluent, she's gaining weight. And
Yes.
it was obvious throughout the show. Like every time they showed her, I was like, ooh,
I know.
she's gaining a little more. But like, okay, who hasn't by the time they're 30? You know, like who hasn't, you know?
I said, Rachel's 23 years old. Can I still blame it on baby weight?
Right. Same. I'm like, dang it. Baby
Yeah,
weight.
baby
Yeah,
weight.
that's what we're going to go with.
Veda's a little
and
younger.
but yeah. Anyway, so he makes this comment about Shalea, how, you know, whenever we were young, I always thought, you know, if she ever put on weight, I just wouldn't be attracted to her anymore. Come to find out, even if she's fat and ugly, I do still find her attractive. And I was like, you literally just called your wife fat and
I
ugly.
know.
Oh my God. Like,
But like,
and she's
do
just
you
sitting there
feel
smiling.
Like, do you feel like listening to them? Like I feel like he's almost or is like how abusive is
Oh.
he to her?
Oh, when them cameras are off, he is
Because
absolutely yelling at
He's
her
a
and
jerk
screaming
to
at her.
and
100%.
will not let her have word
Nope.
and cuts her off and tells her to
Shut up. Yep.
and all. But
Unless she's
yet-
saying what he wants her to say.
Exactly.
Yep.
He speaks for her, and when she does have something to say, he cuts her off. Unless
then
they
if she
probably
has-
practice before,
Right.
then he'll let her
like,
speak.
hey, you're going to say this.
And his, you know, oh, she was homeless on the streets, but look at her in Chanel.
And now she's decked out in
so,
Chanel.
well, yeah, she is because you
are stealing, basically,
you are stealing money.
We're stealing money from all these people.
And flaunting my house
Yes,
and,
and
my wife's
it's
designer
kinda,
clothes.
It's crazy because I compare it to all these YouTubers out there, and my husband and I like to talk about these YouTube families, and how, you know, when Veda was little, we don't allow YouTube anymore. But when she was little, we watched a few of these little YouTube families because it was cute. Like,
Yes.
oh my gosh, I love this. It's so cute, you know? And there have been some of them, and I can't think, we haven't watched YouTube in so long. There was some of them where at first you start watching them because they're so cute. They interact together. Oh, come vlog with us on our day at the zoo, blah, 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 whatever, our Easter morning,
Yes.
whatever.
Yes.
But then it all starts morphing into, look at all the stuff we have.
Yes.
Look at our new house. Look at our car. Look at this.
Yes.
Like,
Because
oh, and now we're
you're being
sponsored by
paid.
Barbie. Like, or whatever, you know? And it becomes all product placement.
I
And look
just,
at all the things that we have. And
right.
it got to the point where we were like, that's not even why we were watching y'all in the first place. We were
No.
watching y'all because
Y'all were a cute little
y'all were a cute little family.
And vlogged everything you did.
Right. And we were like, oh,
liked
how
that.
cute, you know?
But I mean, if that's what you're going
and
to
that's
do,
what Jeff starts doing.
Like your money, you want that income to be able to keep doing that, and so then you get your sponsors and
That's
ads
right.
and products, and oh, look, we have you know,
Right.
this wonderful cup of coffee today, and
Right.
and so
like
that
the Truman Show.
becomes, yeah,
It's the
I
Truman Show.
love that show.
I know, yeah.
It becomes that and not focused on the family, which is what they
Right.
started,
And that's
So
exactly what Jeff starts doing. Like, look
I
at all
need
the
to
stuff we
know.
have.
So with Jeff and Shalea, I need to know like prior relationship.
Yeah.
I need to know where was his mind when he got
Like Jeff
into
surely has to have an
this?
ex-girlfriend out there somewhere.
Oh, he has to have someone that can talk.
Yeah. Where are his parents?
He
Where are her
probably-
parents?
Crazy odds. He probably thought he was in 1906 and did away with them.
I don't know. But then they go on and have their own baby. And so, or they were trying for a baby. Down the rabbit hole, she did have a baby.
She did.
She does have,
this
they do have a
past-
baby now. It's a little girl. Because remember,
Amazing Grace, but they had that amazing.
they had the apparition spirit or whatever told
But
them
it
that they were
was-
going to have a little girl.
What did he call it now that they
Divine,
divine
divine grace?
something-
I can't
I don't
remember
know.
the
It's
term.
something with the two of them having the baby, and the baby becomes the divine.
Oh, the divine. Oh my God, Trinity, the divine Trinity.
I was thinking Trinity because of 3, but
Yeah,
I'm
I think
not
that might be
sure.
it.
So then that becomes.
But it had to be a baby girl.
yes,
And I
it
think
had to be a baby
they
girl.
alluded to the fact that she had been pregnant before, but it wasn't a girl, and they
So-
terminated
Yeah.
because
How
it
do
had
you
to be a
do-
girl.
It had to be a girl.
It had to be a girl
Absolutely
to
had to be a
fulfill
girl.
the prophecy or whatever.
Whatever his thing
And
is.
so they do now have a baby girl
They do. She was born
last year. April,
yeah. May. I don't
April
know.
or May of last year. She's almost a year old.
I have no time in my life, but how do I find to go down these rabbit
Y'all,
holes with these
I'm
people?
so busy.
Speaking of no time, it's the bell's about to
All
ring.
right.
Oh.
So, next
So,
week we're going to
wait,
talk about Love Has
Brownfield.
Won. Stay tuned
Oh,
for Love Has Won.
Get the
Oh,
bleeps
Lord.
ready.
Ready.
Get,
Get it ready.
Ooh.
But thanks for killing time with
Thanks
us
for
today,
killing
y'all.
time,
See y'all
guys.
next week.